everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. People decorate Christmas trees with lights and ornaments. Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas Eve. Families go to church and pray for peace and happiness. People sing Christmas carols and spread joy. Homes are decorated with stars, bells, and candles. Special Christmas meals include cakes, cookies, and sweets. Christmas is a time for love, sharing, and kindness. Everyone enjoys spending time with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.